How to turn off the touchscreen on your Garmin Forerunner 265. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 265 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings on your Forerunner 265 and disable or turn off the touchscreen. You can also use this video to learn how to turn on the touchscreen if it somehow got disabled. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply hold the up button just for a second or two until the menu comes up. Then hit the up button one more time once you see watch face until you see system. Select system using the start or stop button up here. Once you get in here, scroll down until you see touch, select touch with the start or stop button, and then we just need to go down to general use touch on and then toggle that off. So as you can see now, the touch screen has been completely disabled and it is no longer on. Now if you go into the touch section right here and you see that this is already toggled off, all you need to do is toggle it on and that will re-enable the touchscreen on your Forerunner 265. All right, so that's how you disable or turn off the touchscreen on a Garmin Forerunner 265. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 265 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.